no-bake energy bites recipe. A delicious and healthy snack you can't stop eating. If you're looking for a snack that's both healthy and easy to make, these no-bake energy bites are exactly what you need. Packed with wholesome ingredients like oats, peanut butter, and flaxseed, these bites provide the perfect balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. They're not only nutritious but also incredibly tasty, making them a hit with both kids and adults. Whether you're fueling up for a busy day, need a quick breakfast, or are looking for a post-workout snack, these energy bites will satisfy your hunger while keeping you energized. Why you love these no-bake energy bites? There's something magical about a recipe that combines convenience, taste, and health in one. These no-bake energy bites offer just that. They're the perfect snack to keep on hand for those moments when you need a quick bite without the guilt. Plus, they require only a few simple ingredients and about 15 minutes of prep time. But don't be fooled. Just because these bites are quick doesn't mean they lack in flavor or nutrition. Prep time, 15 minutes. Additional time, 1 hour. Total time, 1 hour 15 minutes. Servings, 24. Yield, 2 dozen bites. The secret ingredients for perfect energy bites. These energy bites are made with simple, everyday ingredients that are packed with nutrients. Here's what you'll need. Oats. Protein-packed rolled oats serve as the base of these energy bites. Oats are not only high in fiber, but also help keep you full longer, making them the perfect choice for a snack or breakfast option. Chocolate. Choose from semisweet, dark, or milk chocolate chips or chunks to add just the right amount of sweetness. The rich chocolate complements the other ingredients and makes these bites feel indulgent. Flax seed. Ground flax seeds are full of fiber and protein, making them a powerhouse ingredient in these energy bites. They help boost the nutritional value, providing you with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Peanut butter. For added richness and creaminess, use crunchy peanut butter or smooth if you prefer. Peanut butter adds healthy fats and protein to the mix, making these bites satisfying and filling. Honey. These energy bites get their sweetness from honey, which is a natural alternative to refined sugar. Honey provides a touch of sweetness while also offering antimicrobial properties. Vanilla extract. The vanilla extract brings all the flavors together, adding a subtle, aromatic sweetness that makes these bites truly irresistible. Step-by-step instructions to make your energy bites. Making these no-bake energy bites couldn't be easier. In just a few simple steps, you'll have a batch of delicious bites ready to eat. Here's how you do it. Ingredients for the energy bites. 1 cup rolled oats. Half a cup miniature semisweet chocolate chips. Half a cup ground flax seed. Half a cup crunchy peanut butter. 1/3 cup honey. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Directions. Mix ingredients together. In a large bowl, stir together the oats, chocolate chips, flaxseed, peanut butter, honey, and vanilla extract. Make sure everything is well combined. Form the balls. Once the mixture is fully mixed, use your hands to roll the dough into bite-sized balls. Aim for about 1-inch balls, which should yield around 24 bites. Freeze. Place the energy bites on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Freeze for about 1 hour or until they're firm and ready to eat. How to store your energy bites. These energy bites are perfect for meal prep and can be stored in multiple ways. After making them, you can transfer them into an airtight container or a zip-top bag for easy storage. They'll last in the fridge for up to a week, so you'll always have a quick snack on hand. Can you freeze energy bites? Yes. If you want to make a big batch and have them ready for months, freezing these energy bites is a great option. Here's how. Flash freeze. Arrange the bites in a single layer on a baking sheet and freeze them for at least 2 hours until they're solid. Store. After the bites are frozen, transfer them to a zip-top bag or freezer-safe container. These bites can be stored in the freezer for up to 6 months. Thawing. When you're ready to enjoy, simply let them thaw at room temperature for about 30 minutes or overnight in the fridge. Nutritional benefits of these energy bites. These no-bake energy bites are not only delicious, but they also offer plenty of health benefits. Here's a quick breakdown of their nutrition facts. Nutrition facts per serving: 1 energy bite, calories 94, total fat 5g, 7% daily value, saturated fat 1g, 6% daily value, sodium 28 milligrams, 1% daily value, total carbohydrates 11g, 4% daily value, dietary fiber 2g, 7% daily value, total sugars 6g, protein 3g, 5% daily value, calcium 14 milligrams, 1% daily value, iron 1 milligram, 3% daily value, potassium 94 milligrams, 2% daily value. These bites are a great source of fiber, healthy fats, and protein, which means they'll keep you feeling full and energized. Plus, they're easy to make and enjoy. Why you should try these energy bites. If you're looking for a snack that is healthy, easy to make, and totally delicious, these no-bake energy bites are the way to go. With the perfect balance of sweetness, crunch, and rich peanut butter flavor, they make the ideal snack for any time of day. Whether you're making them for yourself, your kids, or for a family gathering, these energy bites are sure to be a hit. You'll find yourself reaching for them again and again, and they're versatile enough to customize with your favorite ingredients. Add dried fruit, swap the peanut butter for almond butter, or experiment with different chocolate varieties to make them your own. Conclusion: make these energy bites today. Now that you have all the details, there's no excuse not to try these no-bake energy bites. They're quick, easy, and packed with the kind of energy and nutrients you need to power through your day. Try them today and let us know what you think. Happy snacking!